In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate an image in Photoshop quickly and easily using the free transform tool. This is one of the most useful Photoshop basics to know, whether you're editing photos, creating social media graphics, or just trying to straighten an image. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photoshop and look at the Layers panel. You want to click on the target layer that contains the image you want to rotate. This is important because Photoshop will only transform the layer you have selected. If you have multiple layers, make sure you choose the exact one you want to edit so you don't accidentally rotate the wrong element. Once your layer is selected, use the free transform shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+T. On Mac, press Command+T. As soon as you do that, you should see the transform box appear around your image or layer. This box gives you full control over resizing, rotating, and adjusting the object inside Photoshop. Now move your cursor just outside one of the corner handles. Don't click directly on the corner yet. Instead, hover just outside the box until your pointer changes into a curved two-sided arrow. That icon tells you that Photoshop is ready for rotation mode. When you see that curved arrow, click and drag left or right to rotate the layer freely. If you drag to the right, you can rotate in one direction, and if you drag to the left, you can rotate the other way. This gives you complete control to line up the image exactly the way you want it. If you need a more precise rotation, hold down the Shift key while dragging. This will snap the rotation into fixed 15-degree increments, which is perfect when you want clean angles like 45 degrees, 90 degrees, or 180 degrees. That makes it much easier to keep everything aligned and accurate instead of guessing by eye. This shortcut is especially helpful when you're working on straightening photos, rotating design elements, or making sure an image matches the angle of the rest of your layout. It saves time and gives you a much more professional result. After you've rotated the image to the angle you want, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to confirm the change and lock it in. That final step applies the rotation so your layer stays exactly where you placed it. And that's it. You've now learned how to rotate an image in Photoshop using a simple keyboard shortcut and the free transform tool. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.